Yeah, seriously, this ride is smooth. Like, we're going over bumps and it's like nothing. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these to sit on top of the existing spring.
Those came with the kit?
These came with the kit, yeah.
Awesome.
Now it's time to put the leaf springs on. Get these helper springs up and see what it does. It's gonna be cool.
We're gonna go on the first set of bolts for this van. The way these will work once they go in, these are on a constant roller. As we engage the suspension when we're on the roads, this roller will support our suspension coming back, and as we release pressure and weight, they'll roll forward and release. Easy install.
Yeah, that's gonna be an issue. Yeah.
So we just released the bottle jack, and we are sitting on the new leaf spring. But as we suspected, this new mount is rubbing against our tow hitch. So we definitely have to make some adjustments there.
I mean, we'll drop it down to that second hole right there and see what it does, because we're rubbing up on that.
All right, so as Billy said, we're just compressing the back spring to the second bolt, just to have some clearance for our tow hitch.
So we're getting to the other side. Now that we know how to do it and where this thing is supposed to sit, this thing is gonna take it's gonna take 15 minutes. 15 minutes, we got this thing rocking and rolling.
I think so.
Oh yeah, hells yeah. The A-team right here, wrecking crew. Wrecking crew, baby. That's it, done.
Oh!
15 minutes, yeah.
I don't even think that was 15.
Yeah, not even, damn.
So we are officially done with the install of the SuperSprings.
Woo, that's
And
crazy. We got
we just gained 1 3/4 total off the back. It's insane.
Yeah, seriously, this ride is smooth. Like, we're going over bumps and it's like nothing.
It is a huge difference.
It's longevity. It's not because we had to, because we were bottoming out, or that we were close to capacity or anything like that. It's just longevity of the suspension. But doing this, it's changed the ride. Like it's almost like riding in a brand new van. It's really cool.
Really enjoyable.